Hello everyone, I'm Mermaid Liv. Thanks for coming back to my channel, or if this is your first time at my channel, welcome.
You say goodbye and I say shalom. Oh, shalom. Don't know why you say goodbye, I say shalom.
If you love mermaids, then you might want to stick around my channel for all kinds of mermaid related content. Mermaid reviews, mermaid tutorials, mermaid crafty DIYs. Today is another DIY video. We are going to be making 3 adorable mermaidy ornaments for your Christmas tree. It's time to decorate the tree. And how do we channel our mermaidiness into our Christmas tree? By making cute ornaments. Or maybe you already have some mermaid ornaments. I've got this beauty, this adorable little seashell starfish. You know what? This isn't even made out of real seashells. What a lie. This is made out of ceramic. I'm disappointed. And look at this gorgeous mermaid. And look at this gorgeous mermaid. And look at you. You're also a gorgeous mermaid. You're all beautiful people. And I love you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like mermaids, subscribe. If you are a mermaid, be my friend. Even if you're not a mermaid, you can be my friend. So these are some great mermaid ornaments, easy for kids to make, but anyone can make them, old, young. They're super easy to make. I'm going to walk you through it. The first ornament I'm going to show you how to make is this adorable seashell snowman. So let's get right to it. So first we're going to paint the seashells. You want 3 different sizes, perfectly rounded seashells that all kind of resemble each other. Here's what I'm using. It'll be like this. Just want to line them up, figure out what you're doing. And I have this paper down because I'm going to paint them. So get some white paint and a paintbrush. I'm going to make this easy and just put the paint. Put a little dab of paint right on each shell. And my paint is clogged. Just gonna get something and unclog my paint. Do you wanna build a snowman? It's made out of seashells. This is a great gift to give someone. I'm actually going to give one to my mom because she is obsessed with snowman ornaments. Oh my goodness, there are so many snowmen on our tree. It's a little... Just like I'm obsessed with mermaid ornaments, I have a whole little pod of mermaids on my tree. Now, I'm just going to let these dry. Okay, they're all dry, so now we're just going to... I'm going to put some glue here and a little more than halfway above the shell. That's where we're going to place it. And then same with this one. Use some brown pipe cleaner to give our snowman some arms. So we're gonna just glue that behind. Let's see about that much. There. Oh, okay. Right where that shell ends is actually the perfect place to pop these arms on, so let's just glue the sides right there. And there we go. Now our snowman is in business. There's so many things he can do. He's got arms. And you're going to want some more paint, because we're going to give him some buttons. I'm going to take some black paint to give him some coal buttons, and my paint is clogged up on this one. Unclog it. on, paint. Don't do me like that. Okay, this is bad. Give him some eyes. Give him a mouth. Adorable. And now I'm gonna take a orange pipe cleaner and give him a nose. So I'm gonna make it like a 3D nose. Needs to be a little bit shorter. And there you have it. An adorable little seashell snowman. But I think he needs a hat. Doesn't look quite right without a hat. He needs his top hat. Oh shit. I'm just gonna make a little hat out of construction paper. Now he looks complete. So I'm just going to take some more pipe cleaner to do a little hook. I'm going to reinforce it a little bit, just add some more glue under there to make sure it'll all stay together. Next I'm going to show you how to make this little sea urchin jellyfish ornament. You'll need one of these. This is a sea urchin. It's going to be the jellyfish, the blobby part, and then this is, I don't know what you would call it, garland or something. It says icicles. These are gonna be the little like tentacles of our jellyfish. So it's gonna just get a chunk. These. Gluing them in there. Woo! I burnt myself. I did it. I burnt myself. Okay, that's annoying. I'm gonna add some pearls. more strand of pearls. I'll get some string for the hook. I'm gonna loop that through. Through there, I'm gonna tie a knot. Don't let the loop go all the way through. Hold it like that. Some more glue at the top here. And there you have it. Beautiful little jellyfish. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a magical Christmas. Bye-bye.